Smoke in child's bedroom. Evacuate.
Testing. Fire. Fire. Test complete. Warning. Carbon monoxide.
So I've been going out at homes and been taking out old smoke alarms, like this one right here, and been replacing them with modern smoke alarms. And I get to keep the old ones. Yes, I fixed it.
No. Please see manual. Please see detector error in kitchen. Please see manual.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I got my very first smoke alarm. The brand of this smoke alarm is Kitty. My alarm looks like this. Has two buttons. This one is to hush, and this one is to test. It's got a little thing for an LED. The model number is I9010. Here's the new alarm I just got today. And I was lucky about the price of this one. I was able to pay just $20 when it's normally $60. But I was able to pay for this for $20 on eBay with free shipping.